coming in. This is embarrassment for Rahul Gandhi. His vote chori charge has clearly flopped. Rahul is exposed by his own former Haryana minister. This is a shocker coming in from his own leader. He's quit the Congress. He's dropped the bombshell. This is a Times Now mega exclusive that we are getting for you. Sampath Singh has spilled the beans. He said they didn't lose due to vote chori. Seat chori committed by own. He also goes on to say we lost Haryana due to internal plot. And he's gone on to say that Rahul Gandhi ignored the Congress cadre. There was a conspiracy within the Congress. This is a telephonic interview of former Haryana minister and veteran Congress leader Sampath Singh that we are getting for you. He's resigned from the Congress party and he's made some very serious allegations against Rahul Gandhi as well as Bhupinder Singh Hooda. Says there was conspiracy within the Congress party, also exposing the entire vote chori accusation that Rahul Gandhi and the opposition keep on making. He said there was no vote chori, there was no loss that happened due to vote chori. In fact, seat chori was committed by their own leaders. Listen in.
देखिए, मुझे लगता है कि पार्टी हाईकमांड भी बहुत कमजोर हो गया है और कमजोर हो गए इन ऐसे जो स्टेट के लीडर जिस तरह के हैं उनके कब्जे में लोग आ गए हैं। जैसे मैं एक मिसाल देता हूं आपको कि इस बार 2024 में जब टिकटें बंट रही थी, चुनाव था हरियाणा प्रदेश का, तो राहुल गांधी जी अमेरिका गए हुए थे और टिकट बंटने के बाद में सब कुछ हो लिया, उसके बाद यहाँ आए हैं। अब बताइए कौन संभालेगा? अब बिहार के अंदर चुनाव हो रहे थे, चुनाव के जब आपस में इनका समझौता होना था और जो टिकट बंटवारे का होना था, वो सारी चीजें छोड़ के आप बैठे थे अमेरिका में और आप उस दिन आते हो जिस दिन लास्ट डेट होती है फॉर्म भरने की। तो इससे मतलब कमजोरी तो आपकी नजर आ रही है ना। इसका मतलब है कि आप जो स्टेट में जो है ना अलग अलग जगह जिस तरह ग्रुप बन गए हैं उन ग्रुप का सामना आप नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, सच्चाई का सामना नहीं कर पा रहे हैं आप।
All right, let me go across to Niyamika. Niyamika, we played out that entire conversation that you had with Sampath Singh. He's revealed quite a lot from what was happening within the Congress party. Clearly, Rahul Gandhi's entire vote chori allegations have now fallen flat after his own leader has exposed the Congress party and their leader.
Well, yes, indeed. We have seen that various times Rahul Gandhi as well as many other senior Congress leaders have made this allegation that they have lost the Haryana elections only because of the vote chori being done by the BJP. And for that reason, this is basically a fact check which is being done by its own leader as the Sampath Singh, who was the former minister within the Haryana government. He has recently resigned from the Congress party, but he has made very serious allegations against the Congress High Command, Rahul Gandhi in particular, as well as Bhupinder Singh Hooda. He has basically mentioned that there was no vote chori which was being done by any other party. It is their own leaders, it is the Congress party's own leaders who do not want the Congress party to get back in power in the state of Haryana. And that is the only reason why even during the time when ticket distribution was being done, Rahul Gandhi was not being present. In fact, the party high command was not ready to listen to the cadre of the Congress. As for that reason, he had also mentioned that on one side, Rahul Gandhi talks about giving equal opportunities to the Dalits, to the backward classes, but when it comes to ticket distribution or any ministerial position or any important position within the organization, then they never do it in the state of Haryana. For that reason, he has also mentioned that even during the time when Haryana assembly elections were going on, majority of the tickets were being given to those who were close to Bhupinder Singh Hooda. Many of the leaders have also
come back to you. Let me get in a reaction from the Bharatiya Janata Party. I've got Shehzad Poonawala with me on the phone line. Shehzad, good morning. Your reaction to what Sampath Singh has said. He has said that the Congress party had been doing seat chori and they did not lose because of vote chori, as Rahul Gandhi accuses the BJP of.
Actually, there has only been truth ki chori. Truth ki chori Rahul Gandhi ne ki, and the truth is that Rahul Gandhi and Congress lose election after election because of Rahul Gandhi, and then they blame the election commission, they blame all other things. And they did that in Maharashtra. In Maharashtra too, not just the Supreme Court and High Court, but an internal leader of Congress party said that we lost because of our own mistakes. In Haryana now, you have taken the exclusive interview, and in this interview, the former minister is saying that we have lost because of our own problems and differences. Kumari Shelja also, I would request her channel, शी हैज कम ऑन रिकॉर्ड टू से कि यहाँ पर इलेक्शन कमीशन नहीं, हम हुड्डा जी की वजह से हारे. And Kumari Shelja is a very tall Dalit leader. So imagine if Kumari Shelja and now Sampath Singh both are saying that we lost because of our own mistakes. तो अपनी मिस्टेक छिपाना है, इसीलिए इलेक्शन कमीशन पर निशाना है, परिवार को बचाना है. That is the entire narrative that has now been taken forward by Rahul Gandhi.
All right, Shehzad Poonawalla, thank you very much for joining us. Of course, the BJP now hitting back at the Congress party, saying they had just been making excuses, and leader after leader from within the Congress party have been exposing them. Let me go across to Sagarika. She's getting us more details and, of course, all the reactions that are coming in. Sagarika, over to you.
So Professor Sampath Singh says on social media platform X, मैं तुरंत प्रभाव से भारतीय राष्ट्रीय कांग्रेस पार्टी से इस्तीफा देता हूं. पार्टी के संबंधित पदाधिकारियों को मैंने अपना इस्तीफा भेज दिया है. And this is the letter that he's posted on his social media platform X. I'm going to read out one excerpt from the letter that he's put out. In a 2-page letter, Sampath Singh says, and I quote, 2009 से 2024 तक पार्टी की लगातार हार पर कोई जवाबदेही तय नहीं की गई. So here he's saying that the repeated losses of the Congress party, there was no accountability that was fixed or set. Then he says, वोट चोरी या टिकट चोरी के दोषियों पर कोई कार्रवाई की नहीं गई. Here he uses the term vote chori and also highlights that there was ticket chori, and then he says there was no action taken against those who indulged in these practices. After that, Sampath Singh in the letter also says 2005 में भजनलाल के नेतृत्व में कांग्रेस ने 67 सीट से जीती थी और उसके बाद से पराजय का सिलसिला जारी है. So then he mentions about how there have been only losses in the Congress party since the year after 2000, from 2009 onwards. And then he also says हरियाणा की जनता अब राज्य और राष्ट्रीय नेतृत्व दोनों से निराश है. He is here talking, basically showing the mirror to the Congress party. Here he says that it is not just the people of Haryana, but nationally also we are saying how there are people of this country who are, who are upset with the Congress party. Then he says 2024 की हार के बाद स्वयं श्री राहुल गांधी ने स्वीकार किया कि राज्य नेतृत्व में व्यक्तिगत हितों को पार्टी से ऊपर रखा गया. Here he also mentions how Rahul Gandhi had mentioned that after, when the party was doing stock taking post the 2024 elections, he himself had said that people have put personal interests above the interests of the party. And then he mentions फिर भी वही नेतृत्व बना रहा. He's talking about the problems that are plaguing the Congress party. In his resignation letter, he talks about how there is absolutely no accountability even after repeated losses, electoral losses. This is a Congress leader who is showing the mirror here to the leadership in the Congress party. Over to you, Shreya.
All right, Sagarika, thanks very much for getting us the details of that particular resignation letter. Let me go across to Rashid Alvi of the Congress party joining me on the phone line. Mr. Alvi, good morning. What do you have to say to what Sampath Singh has said? He has clearly, made some scathing allegations against Rahul Gandhi as well as the Congress party, questioning the intent. There was, the accusation of the fact that vested personal interests were taken over and they had more precedence over national interest, over the party's interest. Mr. Alvi, are you able to hear me? All right, we'll try and reconnect with Rashid Alvi. Remember, viewers, this is a scathing letter that Sampath Singh has written against the Congress party, not just questioning the entire stand that the party has taken as far as candidates in the state elections are concerned. He's gone on to say how, being a national party, how can one family take over the entire state politics? Lot of accusations that have been hurled against the Congress party as well as Rahul Gandhi, the top leadership of the Congress party. Listen in to that exclusive conversation that my colleague Niyamika had with Sampath Singh.
देखिए, मुझे लगता है कि पार्टी हाईकमांड भी बहुत कमजोर हो गया है और कमजोर हो गए इन ऐसे जो स्टेट के लीडर जिस तरह के हैं उनके कब्जे में लोग आ गए हैं. जैसे मैं एक मिसाल देता हूं आपको कि इस बार 2024 में जब टिकटें बंट रही थी, चुनाव था हरियाणा प्रदेश का, तो राहुल गांधी जी अमेरिका गए हुए थे और टिकट बंटने के बाद में सब कुछ हो लिया, उसके बाद यहाँ आए हैं. अब बताइए कौन संभालेगा. अब बिहार के अंदर चुनाव हो रहे थे, चुनाव के जब आपस में इनका समझौता होना था और जो टिकट बंटवारे का होना था, वो सारी चीजें छोड़ के आप बैठे थे अमेरिका में और आप उस दिन आते हो जिस दिन लास्ट डेट होती है फॉर्म भरने की, तो इससे मतलब कमजोरी तो आपकी नजर आ रही है ना। इसका मतलब है कि आप जो स्टेट में जो है ना अलग अलग जगह जिस तरह ग्रुप बन गए हैं, उन ग्रुप का सामना आप नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, सच्चाई का सामना नहीं कर पा रहे हैं आप।
All right, Niyamika, not just Sampath Singh has, hurled accusations and made some very serious allegations against the Congress party, but he's directly hit out at the Gandhi family also, where he said that despite being a national party, there was one family that was taken precedence over the entire interest of the party.
Indeed, and this is basically, he was, attacking Bhupender Singh Hooda in particular, as we have seen that it is not just Sampath Singh, but there are many other leaders within the Congress who have raised this kind of the concern within the Congress, and even they have also left the party, whether it is Kuldeep Bishnoi or Kiran Chaudhary or even Kumari Shelja, who is still within the party, but she kept on saying the same thing, that why all the decisions have been taken which is related to one particular family, which is related to Hooda family only, and that is what is being repeated by Sampath Singh as well. As he stated that despite of the fact that the cadre was not really happy with his leadership, despite of the fact that we have not won so many elections in the state of Haryana, we are not being able to form the government in the state of Haryana. Even then, when the ticket distribution was going on, it was completely being dominated by Bhupender Singh Hooda only, and for that reason he in fact had stated that 20,000 rupees were being taken by the party leadership when the forms were being filled, when the applications were being filled during the ticket distribution. But later on it was being seen that majority of the tickets were being gone to those who are close ADs of Bhupender Singh Hooda and who are very rich people. So in fact he had even gone on to say that there is a possibility that even money was also being given to get tickets in the Haryana Assembly election. So all of these are very serious concerns, very serious allegations which he has raised upon the Congress party, in particular if we talk about the Haryana Assembly elections.
That's right, Niyamika. We'll have to wait and watch what Congress's top leadership now says on this letter and these accusations. Thank you very much, Niyamika, for joining us at the moment. Moving on, viewers, to a big breaking news coming in from the state of West Bengal, where a shocking incident has come to light from Kolkata. A woman was shot at by an unidentified